Hello all participants, welcome to the NPTEL MOOC on Engineering Hydrology. Myself Shrija Pekyat, Associate Professor, Water Resources Engineering Division in the Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Guwahati. Regarding the course Engineering Hydrology, this is a mandatory undergraduate course for those students who are enrolled in civil engineering. Why should we study this course on hydrology? Or some of you might have thought, what is the role of hydrology in the field of civil engineering? Hydrology is the science that lays foundation for understanding the water circulation and distribution across the earth. That is, water present on the ground surface, beneath the ground surface and also in the atmosphere. This understanding is very important for finding amicable solutions for the problems related to water management and conservation. At this point, I would like to stress on the importance of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation. In the last decade, you might have observed an unprecedented increase in the extreme events such as cloudburst, high intensity short duration rainfalls, heat waves, intense flooding and droughts, and some parts of the world were facing the problem of wildfire. In the year of 2021 itself, a large number of intense flooding cases have been recorded all across the globe. The knowledge of engineering hydrology is very important further to study the occurrence and impact of such extreme events. Also, for planning suitable mitigation strategy by incorporating the uncertainties related to these extreme events requires the basic knowledge of hydrology. It has been discussed a lot about the ill effects of climate change, global warming and disaster resilient society. For disaster preparedness, we need to have smart design of flood protection or flood control measures, efficient drainage systems, smart and resilient agriculture for food security, accurate forecast of extreme events and timely warning, risk assessment and hazard mapping. Tackling all these issues through a well-planned research requires the basic knowledge of hydrology. Therefore, the fundamentals of hydrology required for engineering projects will be discussed in this particular course on engineering hydrology. I hope through this brief introductory video, it is clear to you about the role of hydrology in the field of civil engineering. I wish you all a very happy learning. Thank you very much.